In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect a domain to a Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website you want to connect to your domain. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, click Settings, then open the General tab. Find the Site Address section and select the option to connect a custom domain. Enter the domain name you want to use. If you already own the domain through another registrar, choose Connect. If you'd like to move your domain to Weebly, choose Transfer instead. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your domain settings. If your domain is registered with another provider, you may need to update its DNS records so they point to your Weebly website. After the domain has been connected, publish your website and wait for the DNS changes to propagate. This process can take up to 48 hours, although it often completes much sooner. That's how to connect a domain to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.